Venerable Xenia of Rome, January 24th. Born into Roman nobility, Eusebia fled an arranged marriage to dedicate her life to Christ, establishing a convent and living a life of profound asceticism. A heads up in the spirit of transparency. Please be advised that this content may include ascetic extremes, such as extreme fasting. The life of the Venerable Mother Xenia, commemorated on January 24th, offers a witness to devotion and service to Christ. Born Eusebia in 5th century Rome, she was the only daughter of a Roman senator. From her earliest years, Eusebia showed a disposition toward piety and a desire to consecrate her life to God. As she matured, her parents made plans for her marriage, a common practice for daughters of noble families in Rome. However, Eusebia held a different aspiration. Her heart was set on a life dedicated wholly to Christ, free from worldly attachments. To fulfill this profound calling, she made a difficult decision: to leave her home and the life arranged for her. She departed secretly, accompanied by 2 devoted maids who shared her spiritual resolve. Together they boarded a ship bound for the east. Upon their arrival on the island of Kos, Eusebia chose a new name, Xenia, which means stranger or foreigner. This name reflected her intention to live as an alien in this world, seeking her true homeland in the kingdom of God. On Kos, she and her companions encountered an elder and priest named Paul, an ascetic from Patmos. Under his spiritual guidance, they continued their journey of faith. From Kos, Xenia and her companions traveled to Mylasa in Caria, a region in Asia Minor. There, Xenia purchased a plot of land and established a small convent. This community was dedicated to Saint Stephen, the protomartyr. Elder Paul, who had become their spiritual father, tonsured Xenia as a nun. Her 2 faithful servants also received the monastic tonsure and served the community as deacons, assisting Xenia in the spiritual care of the sisterhood. As abbess, Saint Xenia became a model of monastic life for her nuns. Despite her noble birth, she maintained a profound humility, referring to herself always as the stranger. Her life within the convent was marked by severe asceticism. She embraced poverty, living without personal possessions. Her days and nights were filled with constant prayer, often extending into prolonged vigils. She practiced strict fasting, frequently going without food for several days at a time, disciplining her body to serve her spirit. These practices were not ends in themselves, but means to purify her soul and to draw closer to God. Saint Xenia offered spiritual counsel to the sisterhood, guiding them in their monastic struggles and nurturing their faith. Her wisdom and steadfastness in asceticism also drew many lay people to the convent, seeking her guidance and prayers. She taught by example, demonstrating how a life dedicated to Christ could be lived with simplicity, prayer, and selfless service. She instilled in her community a spirit of gentleness and compassion alongside the rigorous discipline of monasticism. The time of Saint Xenia's repose was marked by a heavenly sign. As she departed this life, a luminous cross appeared in the sky directly above the convent. This cross was encircled by a crown of stars, shining brightly for all to witness. The celestial sign remained visible until the moment her body was laid to rest. Many who were afflicted with sickness came to her funeral. Upon touching her holy relics, they received healing, bearing witness to the grace that dwelt within her. Through her life, Saint Xenia of Rome demonstrated the power of unwavering commitment to Christ. She chose a path of renunciation and asceticism, transforming her noble heritage into a spiritual legacy. Her example continues to inspire those who seek to dedicate their lives to God, showing that true nobility lies in humility and service. Her memory is preserved in the Orthodox Church as a testament to faith lived with profound intention and grace.